Hi, Roy Maddox here from Solar King and PowerStation. Today we're in sunny Coatesville to show one of our quad systems. Now this is a new build in Coatesville. It's a full family home, swimming pool, spa pool, just like they're living in town, and we're running it on one of our, what we call our quad system, hence the 4 inverters. So this is currently the largest of our residential size systems. The 4 inverters provide 24 kilowatts AC of flow-through power. So that's close to 100 amps AC of power supply to the house. Now, to put that in context for those that doesn't mean too much, if you live in town, the pole fuse that supplies your house is 63 amps. So in effect, this system is supplying this house with more than a pole fuse supplied if they were on the grid, in fact nearly double. So that's a massive supply of power to run everything as far as AC supply demand goes in the house. It's connected to the solar array in the paddock, which is shown, and that's a 32 panel array that powers all of these panels. That's a 12 kilowatt solar array. The capacity of this system could go up to 4 times that solar. So that's a quarter of the solar panels that the system could be attached to if we wanted to. What we have below, we have capacity. We have capacity for 18 of these 3 kilowatt hour batteries. You'll see that this system has 10 batteries, which supplies 30 kilowatts of stored power. Now that gets the house happily through just about every day without having to take the generator input. So 30 kilowatt hours, but it could take 54 kilowatt hours of storage if we filled it up. So great scalability. All of our systems, as you know, are scalable, so easily to add more panels, add more batteries to suit any home's requirement. So that's our big boy, that's our quad system powering a full-on, off-grid, brand new home where the people can live just like they're living in town down the road. And when they built the house, I think the quote to put power onto the site was something like $180,000, and this system installed was around the $80,000. So they've saved $100,000, fully off-grid, no power bills. On we go. Happy days.